In today's fast-paced and dynamic world, many individuals are exploring alternative avenues to supplement their income or even replace their traditional 9-to-5 jobs. Making $200 a day might seem like a lofty goal, but with the right strategies and dedication, it's certainly achievable. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you: 3 proven ways to make $200 a day. Whether you're saving up for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or just want some extra cash, stick around because we've got some game-changing strategies coming your way. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing, an increasingly popular avenue for individuals possessing a diverse range of skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing, has witnessed significant growth in recent years. The advent of numerous online platforms has facilitated seamless connections between freelancers and clients in search of specific services. Notable websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer serve as virtual marketplaces, providing freelancers with a platform to showcase their skills and connect with potential clients from around the globe. For those aspiring to earn $200 a day through freelancing, a strategic approach is essential. Firstly, identifying and carving out a niche that aligns with your skills and interests is crucial. Building a robust profile that effectively highlights your expertise, past projects, and accomplishments will serve as your digital resume, making a lasting impression on potential clients. This is your opportunity to stand out in a competitive marketplace. The pursuit of the $200 daily target requires not only specialized skills, but also a commitment to delivering high-quality services consistently. Maintaining positive client relationships is equally vital, as satisfied clients are more likely to provide repeat business and favorable reviews. These positive reviews, in turn, enhance your credibility and attract more clients to your freelance profile. Consistency and a strong work ethic play pivotal roles in the freelancing journey. The ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously, meet deadlines, and exceed client expectations is a hallmark of successful freelancers. Establishing a routine and treating freelancing as a professional endeavor contributes significantly to achieving the desired daily income goal. Number 2. Drive for Uber or Lyft. Becoming a rideshare driver for platforms like Uber or Lyft has emerged as a lucrative and flexible option for individuals who own a car and relish the idea of being on the road. The appeal of this gig lies in its adaptability, allowing drivers to chart their own schedules and determine the extent of their involvement in the ride-sharing economy. To consistently achieve the goal of making $200 a day as a rideshare driver, a strategic approach is essential. Understanding and capitalizing on peak hours and high-demand locations within your city can significantly impact your daily earnings. Staying informed about the busiest areas and events in your city enables you to position yourself advantageously, increasing the likelihood of securing more ride requests during lucrative timeframes. Customer service plays a pivotal role in the success of a rideshare driver. Providing an excellent and personable experience to passengers not only enhances the likelihood of receiving positive ratings, but also encourages repeat business. A high rating is often correlated with more ride requests, contributing to a steady stream of income. To optimize your performance as a rideshare driver, staying informed about local market trends is crucial. Keep a close eye on significant events, concerts, and festivals, as they often result in heightened demand for rides. Seizing these opportunities can substantially enhance your daily earnings. By strategically aligning your availability with peak times and locations, you can maximize your potential income. Additionally, consider offering promotions or discounts during popular events to attract more riders. Regularly monitoring and adapting to market fluctuations will help you stay ahead in the competitive rideshare industry, ensuring a more profitable and rewarding experience for you as a driver. The flexibility of the rideshare model allows drivers to adapt their schedules based on personal preferences and external factors. Some drivers choose to focus on peak hours during rush periods, while others may opt for late-night shifts when demand is high. Experimenting with different strategies and analyzing the results can help drivers identify the most lucrative approach for their individual circumstances. Number 3. Sell items online. Embracing the world of e-commerce by selling items online has become an increasingly popular avenue for individuals looking to declutter their homes while simultaneously generating income. The vast array of available platforms, such as eBay, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace, offers sellers a global stage to showcase and sell a diverse range of products, from handmade crafts and vintage treasures to unused household items. To consistently achieve a daily income target of $200 through online selling, a strategic and detail-oriented approach is paramount. Firstly, identifying in-demand items within your niche and understanding market trends can significantly impact your sales. Whether it's trendy handmade crafts, unique vintage pieces, or everyday household items, catering to the preferences of your target audience is essential for success. Setting competitive prices requires a delicate balance between profitability and appealing to potential buyers. Thorough research on comparable listings and market conditions will enable you to determine an optimal pricing strategy. Additionally, creating compelling product listings with high-quality photos and detailed, enticing descriptions enhances the attractiveness of your offerings and can be a key factor in attracting potential buyers. Consistent engagement with your audience is crucial in the online selling realm. Responding promptly to inquiries, providing additional information about your products, and offering excellent customer service contribute to positive interactions and customer satisfaction. Positive experiences often translate into favorable reviews, which, in turn, build trust and encourage repeat business. Timely and reliable shipping is another critical aspect of successful online selling. Adhering to promised delivery times and ensuring the safe and secure packaging of items contribute to a positive post-purchase experience for buyers. Satisfied customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and become repeat customers, playing a pivotal role in achieving your daily income goal. In the dynamic landscape of online selling, staying adaptable and keeping abreast of market trends is essential. Regularly updating your inventory, exploring new product categories, and diversifying your offerings can help you stay relevant and capitalize on emerging opportunities within the e-commerce space. Conclusion: achieving a daily income of $200 requires a combination of strategic planning, dedication, and leveraging available resources. Whether you choose to freelance, drive for rideshare services, or sell items online, success in any of these endeavors is ultimately dependent on your commitment and the quality of your work or service. It's important to note that these methods may require an initial investment of time and effort before yielding significant returns. By consistently refining your skills, optimizing your strategies, and adapting to market trends, you can turn these approaches into sustainable sources of income, providing the financial flexibility and freedom many individuals aspire to achieve. And there you have it, folks. 3 practical ways to make $200 a day. Whether you choose to explore the online realm, venture into passive income, or embrace a side hustle, the key is to take action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow moneymakers, and hit that subscribe button for more wealth-building content. Until next time, stay financially savvy.